Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a super exciting video because I am actually getting tattooed today. I'm leaving here in about 15 minutes and I'm going to head to my tattoo shop. I'm heading to Whitening Revival in Byron Center. I'm going to be getting tattooed today. And what am I getting tattooed today? A lot of you are probably wondering, but you can already tell by the title. I am getting my very first ever tattoo reworked. Completely redone. I'm changing it up. For those of you who are wondering, well, what was your first tattoo? What tattoo are you getting reworked? It is this one on my arm right here, this rose with the barbed wire. That is the one that I'm getting reworked. The reason why I have this matching tattoo with somebody that I am no longer associated with, friends with, whatever you want to call it. So I just made the decision that instead of having a matching tattoo with someone for the rest of my life, I want something more original, something that's different. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be fixing another one of my awesome, lovely mistakes. I wanted to pull out my camera, bring you guys with me. So let's go ahead and get rolling, and I will see you guys in the tattoo shop. I'm super excited, but also really nervous because I haven't been tattooed in like over a year. So let's go get in my car and let's head out. I'm so excited. Alright guys, I am here. I am at Whitening. You can see the sign right there. That's where I'm going to be for probably the next few hours. I'm going to go in and get ready to tattoo. I'm excited. Let's do this. So far. Looking good. So far, so good. Already looks a lot different, which I like. I'm back home and I have my tattoo all wrapped up in the Sanoderm or Tegaderm, whatever you want to call it. So there was a little bit of a glare on it, but there is what it looks like after. I have to go back tomorrow to have the Tegaderm swapped out for fresh. And then once I do that, I will have the other Sanoderm on for about 6 to 7 days, and it'll do all of the healing and peeling and all that stuff underneath. And then after that, I just use some Lubriderm on it for about a week or two, and we're good to go. But it was a really good experience. The pain wasn't too bad. I mean, the closer we got down to like the wrist area, that kind of hurt, but for the most part, like, this looks pretty fucking bomb. I'm super happy with it. In the future, I might do something with like that skin split at the bottom there, like I might add a word or something like that. Ugly barbed wire is gone. The ugly square faded rose is gone. It actually looks like a rose now. So I'm very happy with it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. I will be getting more tattoos very soon in the future, like in a month exactly from today. So you guys will have to stay tuned for that. Yeah, that's my new tattoo. I'm so happy with it. Hopefully you guys like it. You'll have to let me know what you think. Thank you so much to Matt. You and Val are literally my life. I love you guys so much. If you guys are in the Grand Rapids Byron Center, or if you really want to travel for a good tattoo, make sure you check out Matt Tattoos by Matthew Nelson on Instagram. I'll put his handle here. You guys can follow him. Go check him out. If you guys did enjoy and you yourself also love tattoos, make sure you go down, give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to go down and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. But as always, I will see you guys very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!